Hi guys, today we are going to solve the day 10 challenge. The name of the challenge is binary numbers. So we have n, we need to convert it to the binary. Then we should find and print the maximum number of consecutive ones in this binary representation. Okay, so let's say, for example, if our n is 125, then the binary representation of the number is this one. Okay, so we should count consecutive ones. This 5 and 1. So the maximum number of consecutive ones is 5. We should print the 5. Okay, so let's get started. Let's define the count function. Def count. Okay, so let's define the empty array while n is equal no, n is larger than 0, then go to the while loop and print. I have to get the remainder after dividing the n to 2. So remainder. Yep. Okay. Well, let's print our array just to test. So okay, we have 5. Yeah, but this prints array inversely, so we should read this in inverse order. So it's 5. Okay, 1 of 6. Okay, we can get the binary digits. So we should count number of ones. Yeah, number of consecutive ones. Okay, and for I in range 0 to length of array, if this digit is 1, then increase the count. Okay, else what else? Else we should initialize count with 0, but before initializing, we need to find max x. Okay, also this should be here also, because the last digit can be 0, so the last digit can be 1 if for example 1011, In this case, we don't have a 0 in the last position, so we need this line of code in if also. Okay, so let's print max. Let's run the code. Okay, sample test cases are passed. Let's submit this code. Okay, great. So we have solved this challenge. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to practice yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.